Hey, what if I told you that your starting point has almost nothing to do with how much wealth you can build? You think wealth requires a big salary, rich parents, or perfect timing to proud, but all three of those beliefs are completely wrong. The Real Problem Cast, nobody teaches you the exact sequence of money moves required to go from zero to real wealth. Billions of people globally work hard every day, but stay at zero canas because they follow the wrong order of money moves. The first reason people stay at zero kana, they spend every dollar they earn, leaving nothing for any wealth building ever. Spend every dollar times stay at zero forever. Your brain is wired to spend. Every emotion, advertisement, and peer comparison triggers more spending. Spending every dollar you earn means every emergency becomes debt pall, and every year you stay further from zero than before. The fixed bell? Automate savings before any spending even touches your income. Remove willpower from the equation completely. Start with just 10% calm. Set an automatic transfer the day you get paid so it moves before you spend a cent. Today from, open your banking app and set up an automatic transfer of 10% for your next payday immediately. The second blocker, no emergency fund, means every small setback sends you straight back to zero or even below it. Without a buffer, every unexpected expense forces you into high-interest debt and PALs, which destroys wealth faster than you can build it. People without emergency funds can spend years working hard, yet always returning to zero after every unexpected expense. The fixed how, build a starter emergency fund of $1,000 as your very first wealth goal before anything else. Then grow it to 3 full months of your essential living expenses over time. Open a separate savings account labeled Emergency Fund and transfer the first amount you can right now. The third blocker chain, high interest debt acts like a wealth vacuum, sucking out every dollar you try to build up. Carrying 20% interest debt while investing at 10% means you lose 10% in real value every single year. Every month you keep high-interest debt alive, the compounding works against you instead of building your wealth silently. The fixed PEL, attack high-interest debt aggressively with everything you have above your starter emergency fund right now. Use the avalanche method, List every debt by interest rate and focus all extra money on the highest one first. List debts by rate first, attack highest first always. Today, Corral, write down every debt you owe and the interest rate next to each one to identify your biggest enemy clearly. The fourth blocker chain, depending on one single income stream, keeps you vulnerable and traps you at zero long term. If that one job disappears, illness, layoff, or industry change poem, your entire wealth building journey collapses overnight completely. One income stream also caps your earning ceiling, grads. No matter how hard you work, your salary has a natural hard limit. The fixed tail, start building a second income stream alongside your main job using skills you already have right now. Build a second income stream using current skills. Even an extra $200 a month from a side stream can double your wealth building speed over 10 years easily. Today, write down 3 skills you have that someone would actually pay money to receive from you right now. The fifth blocker town, people save their money but never actually invest it, missing out on the only real wealth engine that exists. Saving protects your money from spending calm, but investing is the only thing that multiplies your money through compound market returns. 20 years of saving without investing produces barely half the wealth of investing consistently over the same time period. The fixed hair, once your emergency fund is built, start investing in diversified index funds for the long compounding engine. Even $50 a month invested in an index fund starts compounding immediately. That head start can never be replaced. Today, Crone, download a beginner-friendly investment app and set up your very first $50 index fund deposit immediately. The sixth blocker, Pam, lifestyle inflation. Every time you earn more, you spend more, keeping your net worth permanently at zero. A raise comes in and the upgrade begins. Better car, bigger apartment, nicer wardrobe, more dining. The wealth never grows. People with 6-figure incomes can still be at zero net worth if every raise fuels bigger spending instead of wealth building. The fixed pro, use the 50% rule. Save or invest half of every single raise before any lifestyle upgrade touches it. 10% raise means 5% goes straight to wealth and 5% can slowly improve your lifestyle guilt-free. Today Pro, write your next expected raise on paper and commit in writing to save exactly half of it before it arrives.
Now you know every blocker and every fixed pie. Here is your complete zero to wealth sequence in a fast power recap.
Automate 10% savings on every payday at Shep and build a starter emergency fund of $1,000 first. Destroy high-interest debt using the avalanche method and build a second income stream with skills you already have. Invest consistently in index funds for compounding cushion and always save half of every raise before any lifestyle upgrade. Starting at zero is not a disadvantage. It is the exact same starting line where almost every self-made millionaire began. Bonus tip when? Track your net worth monthly. Watching it grow is the single most powerful motivator for long-term wealth building. Which step are you starting with today? Drop your number 1 through 6 in the comments. I read every one of them. Subscribe to Money Quill. I have a new money secret every week to build your wealth. See you soon.